So one of the cool things about the product that we built was we can do instance label and semantic segmentations. So the segmentation there on the right is these are the things of interest to you. But depending on how your model's set up, you might want the one in the middle as well, or instead, which is just here is what every single thing in this image is, so that you know what you're looking at. And one of the other things that we set up in this process was a way to basically hot swap the real world for the robot. And so this giraffe framework that we built that makes use of the simulation, the synthetic data that we're pulling in, it uses things that exist today, right? You build your robot code in ROS or whatever you're building in, that's totally fine. And then you are going to do a simulation in Unity, whatever works for you. What we did is, instead of having to simulate the robot in MATLAB, where you set up the entire process of doing the simulation, and then you go, okay, we proved it works, let's throw it away and write a bunch of code in ROS that works on the actual robot now. You put that through the giraffe framework. Essentially what we can do is hot swap the real world on the robot. So we can take a sensor that was a camera, and instead of feeding you the camera, we feed you a camera from Unreal Engine or from Unity or from Gazebo, etc.